Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to use countdown feature in Google Ads. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a real account, and without any further delay, let's see how we can do that. So you can see over here, I'm running a Black Friday campaign for this account. So now I want to use the countdown features because my offers will be ending soon. So let's see how we can do that dynamically, okay? So for example, I'm gonna edit these headlines, and for using countdown features, I'm gonna use the curly braces. And if you use the curly braces, then you will see an option called countdown, okay? Then you need to click on it, okay? Then you can see over here, countdown ends. You need to give the end date, okay? So for example, my countdown, offer will be ended on 5th of December. Okay, then you can give your offer ending dates, So for my case, it will be ended on December 5th. Okay, then you need to select start of the day. Okay, then the countdown start. Uh, how many days before you want to show the countdown ends? Okay, so I'm gonna give. I want to show 2 days before countdown end dates. Okay, if you want you can give 3, 4, whatever you want, or if you want you can give 1. It's according to you. Then you need to choose add viewers time zones. Okay, then I'm gonna hit apply. Then I'll pin this as uh number 2. Okay, and let's see how we can see it. So you can see 4 days. It will only be showing 4 days, but I'm gonna add some text before this, like offer ends in. Then you will see the difference. Okay, just a minute. So this is our first headline. Then you can see offer ends in 4 days. Okay, so it is showing dynamically. Okay, so this is how you can use the countdown feature dynamically for your offer. Okay, so yeah, that's a quick video. Okay, so hopefully you have understood how you can use the countdown features for the offer. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.